Welcome back to Chartwell Uplift, everybody. It is week 2 of this project. So we have been full send on demo protection and then demo. So I haven't even been inside yet to see what the progress is. So we're gonna see how the team have been making out together. Let's stop thinking about what they've done and go check it out. Let's go. All right, so we are in the family room / kitchen area. Well, the kitchen's over there, family room's here. Taking up the carpet in rocket science, but it's gone now. Looks a hell of a lot better than it did. Don't forget that there was like some cabinetry here, which is no longer. Now, this flooring here is all coming up and it's gonna become tile. That's what's happening. Again, the island, like Kaiser Sose, and if you don't know that reference, you need to watch the movie Usual Suspects. Absolute brilliant, brilliant movie. Nonetheless, kitchen, cabinets over here, cabinets over there. There's still a ton more work to do in terms of pulling down the drywall, but there is actually some lead in some of the flooring around here. So we actually can't do all of the demolition work ourselves. We actually have to bring in an abatement contractor to deal with the lead-laden tile. I think it's mostly just this green tile that is the issue, not the wood flooring. Let's keep rolling. So again, in here, right, we've got floor protection down. Again, we use round board all the time. Fantastic product, works extremely well. We use the round board stair protection on our stairs. I also really like the corrugated plastic stair protection as well that's available. Both work well. This project we've used round board, all good. Great product placement. Apparently we need to stand by. Like there are things that it makes sense to like ask somebody else to come and do, but you know, one of the things I talk to my project managers and my team about is if there's something that's only gonna take you 30 seconds or so to do yourself, just do it. Like the amount of time it's gonna take for you to ask somebody to come and do it or whatever else, like just get it done. It's not rocket science. Now, boss man likes to fold over the end of the tape so that you can find the start more easily next time. But there's not a ton of work going on in this room. I just didn't want anybody else tripping over that seam. So there you have it. We keep moving. So this is an antique grand piano. We have effectively hermetically sealed this sucker up so that it is protected from any dust, anything. All of the plywood seams are all taped up. It's taped down to the floor with sill gasket underneath it, so it's also airtight and protected. And we've got, I feel like a sufficient amount of do not touch, important, delicate thing inside, labels everywhere, inclusive of caution tape with the same important notice, piano safety notice. Safety never takes a holiday. And you know what, Kyle? How many times have I said, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure? All right, we keep moving. Oh yeah, look at this. We've even provisioned a Ring camera to overlook the piano so that we can make sure nothing unfortuitous happens to this very special piece. So we are in one of the bedrooms upstairs. This is one of the smaller ones. Carpet up, again, carpet comes up so fast. In here, we've got the bathroom, which is all taken apart, is what it is. Guys are taking everything apart. All of this is gonna get gutted down to stud in here, and it's gonna be completely redone. Vanity gone, tub is on the way out. Probably sometime this week, maybe next week. There's a lot of demolition work that has to get done around here, and it's all happening. It just takes time. The team is just crushing it. There's fantastic progress. Again, we had that beautiful, magnificent teal carpet in here, which is now gone. Matt set up his office here. Shock and surprise, look at the view. Can't really blame the guy. God, that's a beautiful view, hey? We are here in the primary suite, or primary ensuite, I guess. Again, just more demolition work done. Matt just saying, confirming what I kind of sort of thought. Every square inch of this godforsaken tile has lead in it. So we can't actually take it out ourselves, like I said, downstairs. This has got to get taken out by an abatement contractor, which is really freaking annoying. I mean, it's not like it costs a lot more to have it abated. It just takes so much extra time. Annoying. Again, we're in the primary bedroom. Baseboards are gone. Carpet's gone. I mean, it's not rocket science. And you know, if you have a home and you have some nasty, gross looking carpets, literally in a day, you can have your home look almost brand new again as far as the flooring goes. Anyways, carpet is so fast to remove and reinstall. And I might be exaggerating, maybe it's 2 days. If you have carpeted floors, you can have those replaced so fast, and it completely transforms how your house will look and feel. You know, carpet, super cheap to replace, easy. Paint is obviously another something if you're looking for renovation inspiration ideas. A coat of paint everywhere, God, it makes a big difference. It really does. So do it. That's a wrap on today, everybody. If you have a home that you have been dreaming about renovating, or if you're considering buying a home that's going to need some renovations, we'd love to be your partners in success. You can reach us on our phone or find us on the web right here. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to work with you. In the meantime, I sure would appreciate it if you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to keep getting this amazing content that Kyle and I work so hard to produce for you every week or two. In the meantime, listen, I really appreciate you being here. Stay awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye now.